Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make the bull's eye. So we start with heating the vegetable oil. Make sure it's hot. After heating the vegetable oil, we put one egg at one side of the pan. Then we put the other egg at the other side of the pan. We let it cook for a few minutes. We let it cook. Then afterwards, we add salt for seasoning. After adding salt for seasoning, we add black pepper next. We add black pepper. Make sure you spread it well. Then you let it cook for a few seconds. Then after that, we serve. The bull's eye is ready to serve. Thank you guys for watching my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. That is your bull's eye. See you in my next video.